All right, so in this video, I'll be going through inventory management as a pull boards, or if you're a pull board member that might be managing concession inventory, or you're the concessions manager, orders come in, how you guys can go in and input the inventory for the products here. So let's say, for example, I'm in as the concession manager / pull board. So once I'm here, hey, inventory just came through. Maybe there was 50 more cans of Sprite that were delivered. So we can go to the point of sale now. You guys will have this inventory section up top, which the general concession staff will not have access to. So you don't necessarily even have to check out a drawer to input inventory. You can just click on point of sale, go to the inventory tab. All of the products that are created will display here. Obviously, once the pool gets closer to opening, more will be added once we kind of figure out everything that will be in the system. But let's say, hey, we know that there's 48 Sprite cans now. Maybe we just got another order of 50, whatever it may be. So we need to add more Sprite to our current inventory for this example. We can hit add inventory here. You can select the product, or if all of your products have barcodes on them, or you've assigned them barcode numbers, you can scan that product barcode to search it up here. And then from there, all you do is click scan, and then now you scan the barcode, and it would populate up here. But here, I'll go and say Sprite. Let's say we got 50, as we said. Once from here, this is how you guys are going to track your return on your products, your return on your dollars from your products here, I guess. But here's to say, like, hey, those 50 Sprite cans cost you X amount of dollars. Hey, how much do those 50 cans of Sprite show on the invoice? All right, maybe let's say we paid, I don't know, $30 for 50 cans of Sprite. From here, it's going to give you a cost per breakdown. So then all of your admin stuff can then go in and track your return on your investment or your ROI on each specific product, because maybe you guys sell Sprite cans for $2, right? So that's $1.40 in profit per Sprite can you sell. So it will kind of give you that on other reports. So this number you do want to make sure is accurate as you report it in here, so you can track the return on those dollars. But let's say, hey, there's 50 cans of Sprite, it was $30. Yep, 60 cents per can's correct. Add inventory. And now you can see that that inventory did jump up from 48 to 98 for the $50 edition. Now, from a admin perspective, let's say that no, there wasn't 50 cans, there was actually only 48 or something. You guys miscounted how many products were in. So we can't do this on the staff side because this is an admin only permission or anybody with reporting access. But Kirsten, this section is probably mostly for you or anyone else that may help you with this. You can go back to the admin section here. We can go to reporting, point of sale reports, and then we can run the value of inventory report. And then here it's going to show you all of those orders that are placed. So, hey, we got a shipment of 48 on the 5th, and we can see that we still have 48, so none of those have been purchased since then. And then here it says there's the 50. So how this basically works is it does go based off the shipment or the orders as they come in. So as each Sprite gets purchased, the current quantity will be deducted based off of this 48, right? Once all 48 are sold, it will fall off of this value of inventory list, and then it will start deducting from the quantity of 50. Let's say you guys do an inventory count, and hey, the order quantity was what we thought it was, 50 originally, but maybe we only have 40 cans or something here. Rather than deleting this and going to re-add it, which in theory you could do, but that would also mess with your profit margins and your profit potential and stuff like that. So here, let's say, hey, we counted it. It did still cost us $30, but instead of only having 50 cans, we have only 40 now. We can go edit that inventory and then just change the number of quantity here, make a note, miscount, whatever it may be, after rank the products, whatever the situation is. We can update that inventory, and then you can see that, hey, it still has the total value, but that profit margin has changed as well. Now, if we did need to, we could always delete inventory orders. And now if I go back to the staff side and refresh this page, it's going to go back to the original 48 that we had input the first time. So that's more of an admin thing there, but it might be something that you do want to give your concession managers access to. But so just a little tidbit there in case that might help you out. If there's any questions, please let me know.